Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable iPhone to Mac handoff in iOS 18. So just tap on my iOS device and make sure your device has been updated on the latest version. So I will just tap on in journals and a little bit scroll down. You will just find AirPlay and continuity. So just tap on and get inside, and here is the handoff. So just turn it on, and handoff lets you start something on one device and instantly pick it up on other devices using your iCloud account. The app you need appears in the app switcher and in the dock on a Mac. So if you have any your MacBook, so you can just connect it with us of this iPhone device and make sure you're transferred to home port. So turn it on also when playing media. Bring iPhone close to the top of home port to transfer what's playing. So when it's connected automatically, so you can just stream or share content from Apple Vision Pro to your iPhone. You can also will just turn it on this AirPlay receiver on your MacBook. So when you use your MacBook, and your phone will be automatically played like on which you program using in MacBook. So this is how you can just use handoff on iOS 18 latest version. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.